So you get the walker from Medical King. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the top questions I was seeing, answer those for you, and hopefully help you out. Questions were, what is the assembly time like? How easy can this be folded if you're going to use it or bring it for transportation? And the third question was, how does this work on rough type terrain? So let's get into that first question. What's the assembly process like? Cannot be easier. There honestly is no assembly process other than you pop in these two front wheels, and there's no tools for that. There's just pins on the back here. Just click it in and you're good to go. You don't have to assemble anything. It basically comes all assembled for you. Put in the wheels and you're good to go. And now for the second question, how easy is it to fold up? Could not be easier. And you can leave the wheels on. Once you get them on, you never have to take them off. But on the front here, there's going to be two buttons. And I'll show you what that looks like. See there, it'll just say push. So when you are ready to put it in there, push, you hear it click. Bring it in. Second one, same thing. Just like that, it's ready to be put into your trunk. And it is pretty light. Say maybe it's like 10 pounds. So you can really pick it up. It won't be hard if you got to do that on your own. And now for the final question, how does this work on rough terrain? So these wheels, they're nice like hard rubber to them. They're called Easy Glide wheels. So I think it'll go over any type of terrain as long as you're not doing anything too crazy, which I don't think you would be doing anyway with a walker. But great wheels, roll very nicely. And like I said, they are like a hard rubber. So you're going to have a little bit of compression or cushion when you are going over maybe sidewalks or whatever. It's not going to be real bumpy for you. So this should give you a nice, smooth ride. But overall, this does its job exactly as it should. A bunch of different heights for you. No assembly time, which is awesome. So this thing is a great walker. 2 thumbs up.